Hi everyone, welcome back to FixSoft. Today I'm going to show you how to format your PC and reinstall Windows 10. This will remove all your files and return your computer to its original state, which can help if it has been running slowly or showing errors. We will use a built-in tools from Windows inside your settings, so you don't have to worry about anything. Before you start, make sure you back up anything important because the process will erase everything on your drive. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First of all, open the Windows Start menu and click on the Settings icon. In the Settings window, go to Update and Security. From the left side, choose Recovery. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started. You'll be asked to choose between two options. First is to keep my files. This will reinstalls Windows but keeps your personal files. And the second is remove everything. This will formats your drive and installs Windows from scratch. Pick remove everything for a full reset. Now choose how to reinstall Windows. Here Windows will ask how you want to reinstall the system. First one is cloud download. If you choose this, it gets a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft servers. And the second is local reinstall. This uses the Windows files already on your PC. Cloud download also requires a 4 GB of data, so if you are choosing that, then make sure you are connected to internet. I will recommend to select local reinstall for the most reliable result. You'll see a summary of your choices. Click Choose Settings to adjust them. Here you can fine-tune what gets removed. If you only want to clean your personal files and not reset all Windows settings, turn on the first option. The second option applies if you have more than one drive. Turn it on if you want to clean only your C drive. If you want to wipe every drive, leave it off. The third option is for downloading a fresh copy of Windows before installation. The third option is for those who want to download Windows and then install it. They should turn on then open, otherwise leave it as it is. Then click Confirm. Click Next. Windows will show a summary of your choices. Review them carefully. Confirm that you have at least 4 GB of free space available. When everything looks right, click Reset to start the process. Windows will now start the installation. After installation, complete the Windows setup. And that's it, we have successfully reset our Windows 10. It is like a brand new laptop and running very smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.